Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another update for my Panda palette challenge video series, whatever it is. I have a hair here. Oh my god, very annoying. If you watch my channel, you know that I bought 3 new palettes. 3 new palettes. Which I will tell you, I didn't use up any shadow this month or this time around, which brings my total to 91 shadows. That is the highest I've ever been. I still have the list from last year over here. The highest I've been was 88. So, yeah. As you know from my last update, I told you I need some more color and I need some new palettes. Because while I love nude palettes and shades and eyeshadows, whatever, I just need a bit of color. This is really out of my comfort zone. It is just a normal like burgundy, purple, reddish shade. But it's nothing I would wear on a daily basis. So I'm really trying to focus on shades I would not normally wear, while still doing a Panda palette. You've seen my new palettes that I bought. I will just show them quickly to you and tell you what shades I've used. Because, you know, I just couldn't hold back. I used a few shades. So I got 2 from Colourpop. This is Blue Moon that I got, and I got Honey. This I still need to do swatches on, so you will see this on Tuesday, I think. And then this you've seen. I'll link it here. You can check it out. Both very beautiful palettes. That's what this one looks like. And in this palette I used Billie Jean and Lumi. And I will give you swatches of these. Beautiful. Oh my god, so beautiful. They are very versatile, you know, you can use them on their own or you can put them on top of another shadow and then transform that shadow into something else, basically. So those are the only shades that I've used from this palette. I only used them once, you know, apart from the swatch video, I only used these once. Then the Honey palette, which you've seen. Like I said, I haven't done the swatches yet, but you've seen it. And of course I use Pelusa all the time, because that is such a gorgeous color. Some of the color is like literally glitter. Straight up glitter, look at this. And I wore it yesterday and I feel like I still have glitter on my face somewhere. Anyway, very beautiful shade, very hard to remove. I washed my face twice yesterday, once today, and I feel like I still have glitter on, but very, very beautiful. I also don't want to use this too much or too often because, like I said, I haven't done the swatches video yet. So right now with only like 3 users, you can tell there's a dip going on because this is not packed as dense as the other shades. So I feel like I always do like a little clip of what it looks like after one use or one swatch thing. This already used quite a lot, so I don't want this. I don't want to deceive people. So I keep it as this. I'll film the swatch and then I will continue to use it more. But very beautiful. Although apparently, what I'm talking about. Apparently, 100% these glitters are not eye safe. That's what Colourpop even says, and I don't know why I use the eyes. But I like it. Then the last palette that I got is the Silica Pellet by Mellow Cosmetics. Beautiful. You've seen a swatch of this too. I actually used blush, which is this shade. I used Merlot. I used Brick. This one. I used Champagne. And I also used Currant. All in an eyeshadow look. Oh my god. So beautiful. Oh my god, look at oh. Just look at this and this. They all look very, very beautiful. Stunning. Again, it is a neutral palette. But it's just something new, you know. Sometimes you need something new in order to get your creativity back. And this is really sparking joy, you know, like doing the real Marie Kondo way. This is sparking joy and it's very beautiful and pigmented and just, I love playing with this. Also, if the light situations change, that is not my fault. It is fall outside, as you know, and the weather it's just a mess up. Yesterday it was raining, literally the whole day. Not only raining, but like really like pouring rain. And now the sun's a little out. It's getting cloudy. I don't know what's going on. Very, very beautiful palette. Very excited to use this a bit more. Then just my Makeup Revolution palette that I use for my brows. There's absolutely no progress. Maybe a tiny bit. Right, this is Oak. I've been using this palette for so long and I still don't know the names. Oak. I mean, there might be a little bit of progress. Not too much. I will still continue to use this until it's empty, and I don't know how long that will take, but I will use it. Then I hit pan on 2 eyeshadows. First one is the one that I have on right now. This is the NYX Quad. I got this in May 2017, so you probably can't get this anymore, but just a normal burgundy color, perfect for fall. I just felt like it, you know. It's like, it's spooky season, it's fall, this fits, why not? Usually my voice, usually I'm someone, I don't care what season it is, I wear whatever I want, but you know, it's appropriate, so why not? Also give me a bit of time to experiment with color. So I had pen on this, yay! I have no idea what the name is. Beautiful shade. I mean, you have the same one in the Silica palette probably, or in the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and in Modern Renaissance, whatever, but this quad I had for over 2 years. I feel like it's time to finally use it. And it's gorgeous, you know, it does the job. I use it all over the eyes. So far I'm not bored, and I'm happy I hit pen on it. This is the Full Throttle Quad in Color Riot, in case you have this, or in case you can get your hands on it. I don't think you can, but pen. So excited. Last but not least, my Too Faced palette. I hit pen on this one, Strawberry Bonbon. So like I said, I hit pen on this one, which you've seen a million times. I will not give you swatches. Hot Chocolate I'm working on. I almost hit the edge. Over here. Okay. Almost. And then I'm still working on this one. I feel like I made a bit of a progress on this. I'm not really sure, but I feel like this is less than last time. So yeah, and the way I use this is I use this shade over here and then put Hot Chocolate on top. Like, I use this one in my crease and then also underneath, and then I use Hot Chocolate on my actual lid. Then I highlight with this one, and then this. Honestly, I just use this not that often. I hit pan on it, and then I think I use it like once more. Again, the fact that it's so sheer, you have to really build it up, which is why the pen is so big. And that's it. I never touch it again. So yeah, and I also keep on using White Chocolate, which is a blending shade. I just blend my eyeshadow in. That will also take me a while, even though it's a blending shade, and you, or I at least, use it every single day. It is literally 2 pans, so it takes a while. But yeah, that's the update for this. Goals for next month or next time I'm filming this. I would love to finish up this shade. You know, I mean, I already hit pan on it, so I'll continue to work on it. And then maybe when I'm done with it, maybe I'll go for this shade. You know what I mean? So, because if I use it up, it's a whole palette, even though it's just a quad, but it's a whole palette gone out of my collection. And I finally have a bit of space to put the new palettes in. So I just continue to work on this. We'll see where it takes me. I'm not expecting to finish this up at all, but I just work on this. I will continue to use my brow shade because, yeah, I mean, I need to use that up somehow. It will take me forever. And then I just continue to use Hot Chocolate and then maybe finish this up. That's my ultimate goal, finish Hot Chocolate. And then when I'm done with this, I gotta find something that matches with this. Maybe salted caramel over here. I feel like that would be nice. Maybe I can use salted caramel in my crease and add a transition shade and then just put this on top for like a wow effect, basically. My voice is leaving me, I don't know why. That's it. I don't have any other goals for now, at least. And then here and there, if I feel like it, I will use my new palettes or another shade, and I will tell you, of course, in the update. I will always tell you what shades I've used, and even if I only use it once, I will tell you, because, you know, sometimes if you use a shade once, you might hit pan. You never know. So I will keep on telling you what I use and what I use up and whatever. So like I said, that brings my total to 91 shadows. Unfortunately, I didn't use a single shadow, but I think I bought like 13 new ones. This whole thing is not making sense. I have to count everything again. Have you realized that I'm just completely lost with my videos, can we? Have you realized that I did not do a favorites and empties video for September? Did you realize that? I totally forgot. Did you realize I did not do a mid-year inventory that I was supposed to do in June? Did you realize that? I didn't. I like, just one day it hit me, I was like, fuck, I didn't do those videos. I hope you enjoyed this little update here. Let me know how your projects are going. Whether it is a project pen, a pen, a palette, a use it up, whatever it is. Let me know. I have a lot of palettes here to talk about. Okay, so Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, give me a thumbs up if you did, subscribe to my channel already, and I'll see you next video. Bye! Okay, I think this works. Guess who went to the groomer yesterday? Look at him. Look at him. Look how cute he is. Ooh, ooh, don't fall. Don't fall. Oh. Oh. So cute. So cute. Look at him. Pellets. Thumbnail. Jesus Christ. No, wait.